If you're like me and you love cheesy, comforting Italian food, you're gonna love my recipe for stuffed shells. Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love to get into the kitchen and share with you easy recipes your family will love. Today, I'm sharing with you my recipe for stuffed shells. I love this recipe so much because it reminds me of ravioli that you can make at home without having to make homemade dough and roll out all the ravioli. This recipe for stuffed shells is cheesy, creamy, and it is one that brings your whole family together, and it's a meal that everybody will love. Now, it's super simple to make. The first thing you need to do is bring a large pot of water to a rapid boil. Once your water is boiling, add in a generous sprinkle of kosher salt. You really want to season your pasta water well because that's what seasons your pasta. To your boiling water, add in 9 ounces of shells. You want to cook for about 9 minutes. While your pasta is cooking, mix together the ricotta filling that we're going to use to stuff our shells. I mixed together 15 ounces of ricotta cheese with 1 beaten egg, a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. You can certainly omit the red pepper flakes if you have sensitive palates to spice. And then finally add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Mix that well until all combined. Once your shells have cooked, drain them well in a colander, but do not rinse. That rinses away all the starch and flavor that the pasta has formed. Let your shells sit in the colander to cool for a couple minutes until you're able to pick them up without burning your fingers. While your shells are cooling, prepare your casserole dish for your stuffed shells. I'm using a 2-quart baking dish, and then I'm putting in about a 1/2 cup of marinara sauce on the bottom. This keeps the shells from sticking to my casserole dish and just gives them a little bit of flavor. Once your shells are cooled, you want to spoon in your ricotta mixture into your shells. This is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mixture per shell. Place your stuffed shells into your casserole dish and then top with 3 cups of marinara sauce. You can use your favorite homemade sauce, you can use your favorite jarred sauce, you can even use meat sauce if you'd like. And then we're gonna smother our shells in shredded mozzarella cheese. Use 1 to 2 cups depending on how cheesy you want your pasta. We're gonna bake this at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once our shells have baked, remove from the oven, and now it's time to serve up this delicious, cheesy comfort food. You guys, I'm so excited because I love this recipe so much. It's great with a side salad or some steamed vegetables, but I know it puts a smile on my face, my family's face, and I sure hope it puts a smile on your face as well. Give this recipe a thumbs up, let me know how you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to check out more family approved recipes here at amindfulmom.com.